many of you have ever tried to get a result in life, but it didn't work out? I think many of us, right? Don't be afraid. I think all of us have tried to get something and it didn't work out. Why? Because the results don't come from effort. It comes from our identity. And I know it sounds crazy, right? People think we need to work so hard. I had that mentality. I worked so hard. I studied so much. I overworked and I was still broke. Because when we shift our identity to believe that we can earn money easily on what we love doing, it will come to us because it determines our results. So when I shifted my identity, that's when the results started coming. And of course we do an effort, but not the effort that feels like effort, because when we love what we do, it's not effort. It's our hobby. My job is my hobby. I wake up in the morning and I love what I do. I call it creation. And we all can have that. So this is just an example of one of my clients, Maya. She came to me and she was so fearful. She had a job, 9-to-5 job, and she was earning so little money. And she told me, she started working with me, and she was so afraid. She had so many doubts. She said, I have a dream. I want to have financial freedom. I want to have my business. I hate my job. And I said, let's shift your identity. So she did 5 weeks program with me, and we were working on her subconscious beliefs, on her identity, and she shifted her identity to a successful businesswoman identity. It was far from reality at that time when she started. In fact, she was so afraid to invest in my coaching because she also had to pay for me. But today, she built her own business because she shifted her identity to become a businesswoman. There is another client. She came to me heartbroken. Her boyfriend left her because she was very jealous and she was feeling very insecure. Of course, the partner could feel that. And then she came to me and she was crying. We were working together. Then she shifted her identity to believe that she is worthy of love, of committed love. Then she stopped looking for love outside of herself and became the main character of her life. The same partner who said he will never come back, he could feel her energy. Because how we feel about ourselves, other people can feel it too. He came back, and in fact, they got engaged, and she got pregnant.